Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 423. So we expected copper to stay on the buying side, maintaining 421 as a stop loss. So, but right after the opening, the price took some support near 422 and tried to move up, but finally came down and closed near 421.5. So this is the basic difference between trading in futures and options. Look, in the last two trading sessions, we tried to move buy above 422, but on two occasions stop loss got triggered. But still, today the price is expected to open somewhere near 424 again. But if it is an option contract, as a buyer of option, once we had paid the premium, so we need not worry about the stop loss trigger part. Still, you are in the game. So that's the main difference between these option contracts. Hope everybody will go to our website live.gwcindia.live, and you can see we are providing various training sessions, online webinar training sessions for options trading. Kindly you can please participate on that. Today also there is no change. You can go for buying in copper, maintaining 421 as stop loss, and if the price is coming down below 421, you can reverse your position to the selling side, expecting that the price can come down. If you want to put me in the option contract way, you could see that you can buy 425 call option, and if the price is coming down below 420, you can buy another put option, and you can lock both the positions, and once you get a comfortable price swing, and you can close one position and you can run the other position. So even if you can hold both the positions, if you get a big swing, one will be in profit, other will be in loss. Eventually you will end up in profit. So these are the various things you can operate at this point, price point at 422. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.